compost, source, and texture matter more than you think when trying to discourage ants in raised beds. Ants prefer dry, stable tunnels, so choose compost that stays loose, organic, and structureless to reduce suitable nesting habitat. Locally produced turkey compost often has a finer, more homogeneous texture that resists forming stable chambers while providing good nutrients, but properly cured cow or plant-based compost can perform similarly if screened and aged to remove large fibrous material. Aim for a friable mix with about 1/3 compost blended into 2/3 well-aged topsoil or certified planting mix to avoid creating continuous pockets of loose organic matter that ants favor. When introducing compost, spread it in thin layers and water gently to settle the material without compacting it. Then, let it dry to a crumbly state rather than a clumpy one so there are no long continuous voids where ants can tunnel. Incorporate coarse materials like small gravel or horticultural sand along the base and around stems to disrupt tunnel continuity while maintaining drainage. Use coarse materials sparingly so plant roots still access moisture and nutrients. If using turkey compost, verify it is fully decomposed and free of persistent heat pockets, which can create uneven moisture zones. If it smells strongly or feels hot, it needs further curing. Do a simple field test by moistening a small sample and squeezing it. If it forms a tight ball, it can promote tunneling when dry, so screen or break it apart before use. Common mistakes start with using fresh or partially composted material because it retains structured fibers and pockets that ants will exploit, so always cure compost until it is uniform and cool. Another frequent issue is relying solely on one compost type without considering particle size, which means even nutrient-rich compost with large particles can provide tunnelable spaces, screen or blend to achieve a fine, crumbly texture. People also forget bed edge management and leave continuous organic mulch against bed walls, creating easy bridging for ants. Keep a cleared perimeter or install a narrow band of coarse stone to interrupt surface runs and make tunneling less attractive. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners compare local compost sources and contractor practices so we can make better purchasing choices for pest-resistant raised beds. We connect homeowners and contractors through project listings and a discussion community where we share real-world tips and supplier feedback.